Do you want to earn money fast without having to work hard at all? Don't worry, because that's entirely possible. That's the current state of our world now anyway. Thanks to the convenience of the internet, there's a lot of things we can do easily so we can make a lot of money online. All by clicking a few buttons. It's so easy that it almost sounds too good to be true, but I assure you it's not. So, want to hear about it? Stick around and find out. I'm going to let you in on a little secret I found out where you can make a lot of money online on this website that will pay you for completing various tasks. You don't need any experience, you don't need any hard skills or any technical research. It's a low-effort, simple numbers of tasks that you're going to have to do in order to earn cash. What's more is that there are no country's restrictions. You can use this method wherever you are in the world. Comment down below which country you're from, because I guarantee that you'll still be able to do this no matter where you are. Whether you're in India, the Philippines, the United States, or Thailand, you can freely access this website on your phone or your computer without needing a VPN. They pay you instantly for the tasks that you do, and the best part is that you can use this on your phone or on your desktop. No fancy high-tech gadgets needed. So let's go through the website and see how we can do this. Make sure to pay close attention because I'm going to show you the process of how you're going to be able to make cash through this website. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more tips like this on our channel. Ring that notification bell and share this with all your friends so that you and everyone else will know of this great tip to earn money online. The website I'll be showing you today is a site called Paydera.com, where they offer various tasks and they will pay you money upon completion. They only need a little bit of your time, and you can transform that into money. It's a perfect opportunity. So, what can you do here? Well, it's simple, really. They show you right away the various tasks they offer you to do. This includes sign-up tasks, completing surveys, uploading videos, inviting friends, and writing about their website. There are unlimited tasks you can do every day, so you can literally earn as much money as you want, depending on how many tasks you want to complete every time you visit the website. But not just that, the minimum payout is $5. That's so low, you can literally make all of that in one go. Now that they've seen the various offers they have for us, it's up to you to choose which one you want to do. However, I suggest that we focus on survey completion because this is the easiest one you can do. All you have to do is click a few buttons and that's it. You can start earning money. The best part is that there is no money needed. All you have to do is invest a little bit of time and effort, but no need to pay for the website first. You can just sign up and start working right away. No need for investment funds. It's not an MLM and it's not affiliate marketing. You don't even have to sell anything. If you check out their website further, you can scroll further down and see the analytics of their page. You can see that they have over hundreds and thousands of people using their site, millions of tasks completed, and hundreds and thousands of payments sent. There's also a proof and review section on their website, where the users are completely transparent with all the money they've received and their experience with the website thus far. You can go ahead and read every single post on there so that you'll know just how legitimate the website is. The posters have their name and country of origin alongside their post, and they even upload pictures of the payment they received thanks to doing various tasks on the website. Now, let's get started on how you can become one of those people like in the reviews section. On the upper right hand corner of the screen, go click on the blue button that says Create an Account, where you'll be redirected to the sign up page. It's very easy. Just input your first name, last name, username, email address, and password. After that, just click on Sign Up and Create My Account below, and you're good to go. Because after you've done that, you can go do the tasks available right away. Once you're done with that, let's go to your account's dashboard where you'll start earning money through the various jobs that you will receive regularly, every day, an unlimited number of times. If you look at your dashboard, you might get overwhelmed as there's a lot of things going on, but don't worry, you don't have to pay attention to all of them. I'll explain the important sections one by one. First, the global stats is where you'll see your current earning balance. They even give you a free bonus of 0.50 cents upon signing up. The next bar beside it is your referral link. You can send it to other people so they can learn how to earn money easily, just like you. Every time someone uses your link to sign up, you get money. But don't worry, this is completely optional. So what about the surveys? Go ahead and scroll down the page and you'll be able to see the number of surveys that are available for you to do. They're also transparent about the amount of money you can receive after doing the survey and how much time it'll take you to complete it. Upon task completion, the money will be added into your global stats and then you can withdraw after reaching $5. Remember that you can do this an infinite number of times with no limits, so the potential for income is insane. The process is so simple. If you run out of tasks, you'll have to do is refresh the page and you'll be able to get more. Now, on the left-hand side, there is also a section called micro tasks, and there you'll earn money by completing other tasks aside from answering surveys. Don't worry, they're just as easy. Now that I've walked you through everything, you can go ahead and start doing it on your own. Remember that a little time and effort goes a long way, so don't be afraid to start. The website is 100% legitimate and you don't have to worry about getting scammed. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I'm able to help you find a new way to make some little income. As always, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, maybe share this with your friends and be able to help out others too.